Good morning from Cairo. This video is completely unplanned. I was not even going to film this, but I decided to because of the incredible amount of people that have seen the last video that I filmed. It went viral here in Egypt. I really did not expect that. And so because of what happened, I do feel like I should just say a few words about that situation, what has been done since, and just kind of, address this situation and the topic before I go back to my normal videos of showing you guys food and culture and all that amazing stuff that I love about Egypt. So first I want to say thank you so much for everyone that showed their support, their love. It was and is overwhelming, the amount of people that have stood up for me. The incident in the cemetery was, to me, I was not actually fazed by it that much. As you can see from the rest of the video, I continued filming, driving around, filming the historical sites, which was the entire point of that video. But of course, we don't want people like that walking around harassing other people. And so, hundreds or even thousands of people reported that incident to the police after that video uploaded. And within hours, the police had found him, arrested him, took him into custody. I am shocked by how fast that happened. I mean, I know the police work quickly here, but still, it is stunning to see how quickly they got him. So thank you to the police, obviously, but thank you to everyone for reporting this and you know, the public outcry. It was incredible. And so I mean, it was an unfortunate incident, but to me, it's an isolated incident. I have been living here for 4 years. I honestly do a lot of crazy stuff that a lot of tourists and visitors wouldn't do, or even Egyptians wouldn't do. You know, I'm driving around my motorcycle all over the country and exploring in areas that maybe are not recommended to visit alone. So I take risks and I take responsibility for those risks. But I just I do what I do because I love it, and I take responsibility for that. But I do know Egypt is very safe. I don't want people to get the wrong impression just because I hope they don't only see that video. If you watch hundreds of my other videos, you know how safe I think Egypt is. Actually, I've traveled to 6 continents, over 25 countries around the world, and I still think Egypt is one of the safest places I have ever lived or traveled in. I have a lot of stories in my life that I can tell you of, like, bad incidences and situations that I have found myself in other countries in a shorter amount of time than 4 years living here. So very few negative situations I have found myself in here in Egypt. So I just want to make that clear, because if someone only sees that video, they think Egypt is not safe and this is happening everywhere. That is definitely an isolated incident, and I think the real spirit and heart of the Egyptian people is shown by the locals that came out and helped me immediately after that happened. I called for help, and within seconds there was a group of people around me to help me, and then the video uploaded, and thousands, I'm pretty sure it was thousands of people were showing their support and reporting it to the police. Egyptians, of course, were the ones doing this, and then the police with their quick action in finding him. So I mean, I think that really shows the true nature of Egypt, the Egyptian people. You guys all know that watch the channel. I love this country. I've been living here for 4 years for a reason, and I'm gonna continue living here. It is it is a great country, but like Muhammad said in the video, there are good and bad people everywhere, and I know that. And I've had incidences with people in many countries that are negative, and I've had more positive experiences than negative anywhere I've been in my life. I know that one bad person, there's like 30 or 40 good people for that one bad person. So the good always the bad. This is my outlook on life, and my positive nature and my love for humanity and life and people in general. And I just wanted to express my feelings on that in case anyone thinks I suddenly don't like Egypt. No, I love it. I love living here. And I really do want to thank everyone for their support. And that video went crazy viral. Even my neighbors have seen it. It was definitely unexpected. But here we are. So I just wanted to give an update and address and thank you everyone for showing your support and love and letting you know that I'm okay. And the police helped me. I went down to the station, made a statement after they caught him. They made sure I was okay. I mean, I've been treated so well here, and I continue to be treated very well by everyone that I have run into, and the overwhelming outpour of support from Egyptians on the channel. And I've been getting hundreds of messages, thousands of comments. I mean, I normally respond to all my subscribers and people that comment, but I just can't at this point because it went crazy. So, but I'm okay. Thank you so much for your help and assistance and support. And I'm not gonna go on and on about it, but I just wanted to let everyone know that I'm okay, to thank you guys for all of your help. And I'll be going back to my regular videos and filming ancient sites and food and all the amazing aspects of life here in Egypt. So I hope you subscribe to see more of the amazing aspects of Egypt here. And I hope you have a good day. I will catch you on the next one. Ma salama.